If you're watching this video, you've already discovered the Docs section in Option Panel's left side menu, which is most likely where you found it. But if the documentation hasn't answered a specific question you have, there are two additional resources available to you. The first is the Frequent Asked Questions section, also in the left side menu. There, you'll find answers to general questions that other users have raised before, covering everything from how the platform works to common questions about subscriptions and broker connections. The second resource is the Help section. From here, you can reach the Option Panel team in two ways: through the contact email addresses listed on the page, each one corresponding to a different type of inquiry, such as general questions, technical support, or sales and enterprise plans, or by using the contact form provided right there on the same page. When filling out the form, we recommend selecting the appropriate topic from the topic dropdown, as this helps us route your request internally and get back to you as quickly as possible.